In this video, we listed the 5 best wireless keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K673 Keyboard. The Redragon K673 mechanical keyboard offers a versatile 3-mode connection, allowing users to switch seamlessly between USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes for an enhanced experience across various devices, including PCs, laptops, and tablets. Designed with a low-profile structure and middle low-profile red switches that require a 40G actuation force, the keyboard aims to reduce the distance to actuation for quicker responses. It features 104 keys, including for macro keys for easy access to frequently used functions, and supports customizable RGB backlighting with 16.8 million color options. The keyboard is built from durable materials, ensuring longevity, and includes a built-in reliable battery for extended wireless use. It also comes with a USB cable, a keycap, switch puller, and spare switches, while the after-sales policy covers replacements for incorrect or defective items. Ideal for gamers, the K673 combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a solid choice for both gaming and general use. Number 2. Redragon K673 PRO. The Redragon gasket-out keyboard is a high-performance, wireless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and productivity enthusiasts. It features an innovative gasket-mounted structure that enhances typing comfort by providing flexibility and noise dampening through precision-locked covers and sound-absorbing foams. This keyboard employs a tri-mode connection technology, allowing seamless transitions between USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, catering to various user preferences. The compact 81-key layout retains important function keys while eliminating the numpad to offer more mouse space. The upgraded hot swap functionality enables compatibility with nearly all mechanical switches, and the inclusion of a convenient control knob simplifies adjustments for backlighting and media control. The Redragon software also adds customization options for macros and key bindings, making it an ideal choice for gamers and users seeking enhanced performance and personalization. Number 3. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and professional use, featuring a full-size layout with 104 keys and multiple connectivity options, including USB-C wired, Bluetooth 5.1, and 2.4 GHz wireless. It boasts an ergonomic design, 16.8 million RGB backlight options, and an impressive 8000 Hz wired polling rate, ensuring rapid response times for gamers and efficient performance for office tasks. This keyboard is equipped with a dual electronic screen that displays essential information such as date, battery status, and even functions as a calculator. Additionally, it features 3 programmable macro knobs for customizable shortcuts, enhancing user productivity. The GK104 Pro supports hot-swappable mechanical switches, allowing users to easily change switches without soldering, and is compatible with various devices, including PCs, tablets, and mobile phones. With its robust build quality, advanced features, and extensive customization options, the GK104 Pro stands out as a premium choice for users seeking both functionality and style in their keyboard. Number 4. AJAZZ AK680 Keyboard. The AJAZZ AK680 is a compact wired mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and general use, featuring a 68-key layout. Weighing for 60G, it is constructed with an ABS injection mold shell, and offers a dual-mode power supply using 2 AA batteries, not included. The keyboard supports a variety of interfaces, including USB and 2.4G wireless, and is compatible with multiple operating systems, Windows, Mac, Android. It boasts a mechanical operation for enhanced keystroke accuracy and stability, making it ideal for competitive gaming. While it lacks a hot swappable feature and wrist support, its straightforward design is portable and easy to use, with specifications that include a single-mode data cable and user manual. The keyboard's electrical lighting effects include single-mode interval mixing and a dual mode with no light, though users have raised questions regarding its connectivity and backlighting options. Overall, the AJAZZ AK680 is a practical solution for users seeking a reliable and portable mechanical keyboard experience. Number 5. EPOMAKER RT100. The EPOMAKER RT100 is a versatile and innovative mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking advanced features and customization. This full-size keyboard boasts a retro aesthetic and includes a detachable smart TFT LCD display that can function as a smartwatch, providing real-time information such as date, time, weather, and battery levels. With a hot swappable KL socket, users can easily change switches without soldering, enhancing adaptability. The keyboard supports multiple connection modes, including Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz wireless, alongside a Type-C wired option, backed by a robust 5000 mAh battery for extended use. Its gasket mount design, combined with pre-lubed stabilizers and a pour and sandwich layer, ensures a smooth and comfortable typing experience. The RT100 features NKRO, N-key rollover, for anti-ghosting, south-facing RGB LEDs for optimal lighting visibility, and customizable media controls via a 360-degree knob. Constructed with durable PBT keycaps and an ergonomic MDA profile, this keyboard is ideal for both gaming and productivity on desktops, laptops, and tablets, making it a stylish yet functional addition to any setup.